Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and I'm an accountant by day and a YouTuber at night. Well, I'm trying to be. Today is Friday, December 4th. I want to just go over the groceries that my family and I bought for the next couple of weeks to hold us over. The stores that I went to today were Food Basics, No Frills, and Walmart. So I will go through each one along with what I bought at each and hopefully the prices as well. Alright, so this is what I got at Walmart, and altogether I spent $63.06. So starting off with the blueberries, they were $1.47 each. Then we got the Black Diamond marble cheese, they were $3.97 each. I got the caramelized onion hummus, that was $2.97. Two 12-packs of eggs for $2.84. 4 things of butter. I got 3 unsalted, 1 salted, and they were $2.97 each, and there was a limit of 4. I have dark brown sugar and yellow sugar. We didn't have any since we moved here, and those were $1.97 each. Then I got whipped cream cheese. That was $3.47. Table salt was 97 cents. Cheez-It crackers was $1.97. I was trying to get the regular Miracle Whip, but there wasn't any, and they were on sale for $2.97 each. And then my dad and mom have noodles every day, so 2 of them a day. So I got just 2 cases, 48 of them for 27 cents each, so about $12 for all of that. So altogether, that was $63.06. Okay, next up over here is what we got from Food Basics. I will tell you what the total is at the end. So I got 1 salad dressing. It was $2.50, 2 for $5. Avocados, I overpaid for these. I don't know why I bought it, but it was $2.88, and it was actually on sale at No Frills, and I actually bought it there too. Limes were $2.88 for a pack of, I think, 6 or 5. Bananas were 56 cents a pound. Lemon, a 2-pound bag, was $2.88. These blackberries were $1.88 each. This frozen okra was 97 cents. Got 4 packs of them. This mixed vegetable was $2.47. I got 3 packs of the no-name bacon, which was $2.97 each. And then I got 2 bags of 10-pound red onions, and those were $3.88 each. I also got a pack of no-name or selection brand bagels, and I think these were $1.88. I also got 4 of the chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. They were $2.79 each, and I think we're going to send some over to one of my boys in a different country. So all together at Food Basics, I spent $52.12. Alright, so this behind me, I'll show you guys some proper B-roll footage after, is everything that I got from No Frills. And I actually prefer to go in to the stores in this order, which is like I went to Walmart first, then I went to Food Basics, and then last but not least I went to No Frills. And the reason why I like to do it this way is because of the fact that Walmart and Food Basics don't price match. And so if there was something that was on sale at Food Basics or Walmart and it wasn't good quality or there wasn't any more stock, then I can go to No Frills hopefully and price match and then buy the rest of whatever we need that's not on sale. So I'm going to show you guys the rest of what we got, and No Frills ended up being the store that we bought kind of like the rest of the stuff we need. It's usually between No Frills or Food Basics that we do that. So this is everything we got at No Frills, and altogether I spent $120.75. Starting with the chicken breast, this was $3.88 a pound. It's boneless, skinless, so that was worth it to me. Then I got 3 of these spinaches, which were $1.67 each. I got 2 raspberries. It was a deal, 2 for $3.88. I got that Gouda cheese for $4.88. I also got the chorizo. Each one of these was $5, so $5.41 and about $5.50. I got a bag of spinach, which was $1.97. I got avocado, like I said, it was 4-pack for $1.88, whereas I think I got 5 for $2.88 at Food Basics. I bought a 3-pack of garlic, which was 57 cents. Iceberg lettuce was $2.47 each, kind of expensive, but we use it. I got 2 cucumbers, that was on sale for 2 for $1.88. I got 3 kiwi, which was also on sale, 3 for $1.88. I got Ovaltine, that was a sale item for $3.88. I got the tomatoes, which I think were $1.47 or $1.88 a pound. Then I got kind of like these condiment items. They weren't really on sale, but we kind of use them as sides. So the stuffed manzanilla olives were $2.47. We usually get the pizza style sliced olives, but they didn't have that. So $2.47 for this. Correction, $2.97 for this. And then over here we got the jalapenos, which were $1.97. I never actually got them before, but I thought it would be a nice topping for hamburgers. I also got salsa that was on sale for $2.88. Olive oil, 1 liter, extra virgin, was $3.88. The pickles also weren't on sale. It was $2.47. Then I got a pineapple, which was on sale for $1.88. Then I also got this cabbage, which I think was 88 cents a pound. The onions were $2.88 each. I would say though that they are a little small and sometimes that can be annoying to peel. But again, $2.88 for a 10-pound bag of onions. It can go a long way. This bag of sweet potato, it's a 10-pound bag, was $4.97, which makes it about 50 cents a pound. And normally I buy them for 97 cents to $1.27 a pound. Then I got this 10-pound bag of regular potatoes for $2.99, and normally you can probably get it on sale for $1.99, but just in case we make like mashed potatoes or shepherd's pie, I feel like we need some. And then I got some pitas to use for my Greek chicken wrap. These are called Lebanese pitas. I don't know how many come in a pack, so I got, looks like 4 or maybe 5. I got 2, 88 cents each. I figured we can freeze them if we don't eat them in time. And then I got hamburger buns and hot dog buns. I got them for 2 for $3.88. Then I got this raisin cinnamon bread from Thomas. I've been having a craving for this, like this with some Nutella on top and banana. I think that would be bomb. This was $1.88. Then I got a 4-pack of peppers, which was $2.88. Then over here is some cilantro, which was 77 cents a bunch. I'm gonna try to see if I can store it in like a mason jar with water and see if it lasts longer, because so far cilantro keeps winning and not me. Then I got the celery, which was $1.88 for this whole head. I got Lay's potato chips, small size, $1.88, and then I got all dressed chips for $2.47. I also got these like kind of plain crackers. It kind of reminds me of Ritz crackers, but longer. This whole tin was $3.88. My dad kind of likes eating those, and so do I. And then I got a big pack of red split lentils, like petipu or dal, and that was $4.97. So that's everything we got at No Frills. Oh my gosh, how could I forget about the main event? It's because I already put them in the freezer. So I got these for $3.88 and it was really bomb. I had it after I ate my lunch. And the sick thing about this is it comes in a 5-pack and we have a family of 5, so no one's left out. And you know how it is. It's always the mom that's like, I'll sacrifice for my kids. Okay, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Okay, and that concludes everything that we bought today for the next couple of weeks for groceries. So normally our budget is between like $600 to I would say $800, and we usually go to the Tamil store once. We go to the Asian grocery store once and get a bunch of meat, and then we also do fresh produce a couple times a week, or not a couple times a week, a couple times a month. So that is everything. I now have to put it all away. At least I did the first batch, and now I just have to do the second batch real quick. And the sick thing is now that I can spend the next couple of days either like prepping the produce that I bought or just not having to worry about doing groceries, which is awesome because the weekend grocery shopping is always hectic, especially in a pandemic. Okay, thanks for watching. Mwah! See you in the next one. One last thing I would like to ask the general public. I heard that if you can easily pick the tops of a pineapple, it means it's ripe. Ow, I think I just cut myself. But as I was pulling it out to show you guys the grocery haul, all of these leaves came out. And it smells very pineapple-y. So I'm excited to have some pineapple. And then over here, this is what I meant. I just put some really cold water in a jar and I opened the cilantro, and as I need it, I will take it out. And let's see if that increases the longevity. Woohoo! Hello, my name is Cynthia and I am struggling.